boys, that Spectre Flame, that thing is still just absolutely stunning. Hey, what's up everybody? This is Royce from Pedal Metal. Welcome to my channel. Tonight's video is going to be a comparison video. Comparing two Hot Wheels Magnus Walker Porsche 964s. One is the pre-release and the other one is the RLC release. So I'm pretty well curious about this. I purchased the RLC one not too long ago off of eBay, probably about a month or two ago, and just have yet to get around to actually examining it and trying to get my mind off of all this the coronavirus. We'll move on here to this episode. All right, as we can see here, this is the RLC version of the Magnus Walker Porsche 964. It supposedly is, according to the foil sticker, 10,000 of them produced. Who knows? I don't know. I don't really like to go off that because well, we all know that some of them slip out of the factory. We know this because we see them crop up on eBay all the time, way before the releases. So anyway, this one here, this version, which, not to toot my own horn, but I was the first person on YouTube to actually do a review on this car. I even beat out Lamley Group and some other people who have better contacts than myself. And this one, they supposedly is also 10,000 made. It says number 1862 of 10,000. Some of these are not numbered and some are. But what we're going to do here is I want to compare the two because I always heard that they are different. That this one here is more of a Spectre Flame finish. The other is not a Spectre Flame finish. So that was the only real reason why I purchased this one off of eBay. I really probably spent too much money on, considering I already own one, but merely out of curiosity, I had to find out for myself. And I figure, you know, I'm not going to be getting rid of it anytime soon out of my collection, so, because I like it that much that really not worried about. As you can see here, I'm already screwing this up, getting it out of the pack perfectly here. Get rid of that, get rid of that. Yeah, these finishes are definitely different. So we have, it's kind of nice to be able to see this in person because I read somewhere that they were different, but I didn't really believe it. As we can see here, it's a pretty big difference. From that black chrome Spectre Flame finish to the regular slate gray, which I assume, I'm only assuming, but it appears to be the actual, this one, appears to be the actual paint code that's on Magnus Walker's custom 964. At least from the shots I've seen of it on the internet, it looks like the exact same color. Both of these are just stunning, must-have cars in my opinion. If you're a Hot Wheels collector or a Porsche collector, this is probably right up there, probably one of my favorite Hot Wheels car of all time. This thing is just crazy. Will they have a regular mainline release of this? Not sure. I haven't heard much. I'm sure they will eventually, but until now, or until then I should say, these are just must-haves. And if you can't afford the pre-release, I don't know what they're going for now on eBay, I would definitely pick up the standard slate gray painted version. Let's stop it here and take a look, because some of you guys may have never seen this before. Like I said earlier, not to toot my own horn, but I was the first to review this Magnus Walker car on YouTube. I even beat out Lamley Group, which I'm pretty proud of that, considering his connections. I don't have any connections. Both of these have the same amount of detail. Both have the Iron Cross logo badges on the back here at the grills, which is going to be probably hard to see that. Well, you might be able to see it there, right there. It's like in the middle, right here. It's a little a little custom touch that Magnus put on his car. Both have the same tampos. Both vehicles have the same salsa red and black interior. You can kind of see it there. Both of them have a black roll bar in. Both of these examples have the logo on the side of 1552, which is a wheel company who made those custom Fuchs style wheels for Magnus, and you can buy them for your own car if you'd like. They both have the Outlaw plates on the back here. They are virtually identical from what I can see. Both have the Urban Outlaw logo under the driver's side mirror. Everything looks identical except for the finish. Turning them over, you can see that both of them are identical on the underside. The numbering is a little different there in the white, but everything else is the same. Both have the red line tires and wheels. Really well detailed, the interiors on these. I will put a link up at the end of my first Magnus Walker review of the Spectre Flame version, and so you can check that out if you'd like. But from what I can see, they are identical, and both are absolutely glorious in attention to detail for a Hot Wheels car. I think these are must-haves. So there you go. That's tonight's episode. If you like this type of video, be sure to give me a thumbs up, like, share. If you're not a subscriber, think about subscribing. It's free, it can't be free. Hit the bell for notifications. And until next time, if I'm still alive, that is, I will see you guys soon. Thanks for watching. See, I think I already said that. I don't know. I'm repeating myself. I'm getting delirious. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. Comment down below which one do you guys like better, the standard paint or the Spectre Flame paint version of this. And I will see you guys soon. If you have any coronavirus stories, put them down below. I'm interested because I'm scared. And I will talk to you guys soon. Have a good night. Hey.